Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss about 12th D commerce subject. That is, in this afternoon video, we continue the same chapter, capital market. So, in this video, we discuss about the functions and importance of capital market. In the previous classes, we discussed about the meaning, definition of capital market and also the various types of capital market. Today we discuss about the functions and the importance of a capital market. So capital market will have certain functions. The first one is savings and capital formation. In capital market, various types of securities help to mobilize saving from various sectors of populations. So all class of people will invest their funds in order to buy the securities. So by way of purchase the security, they indirectly save their money. By this way, the capital formation of the nation will develop. The twin features of reasonable return and liquidity in stock exchange are definite incentives to the people to invest in securities. So people will get incentives by way of dividend and interest in the securities invested by the investor. Permanent capital. The existence of a capital market or stock exchange enable company to raise permanent capital. So this capital market will help the business people company to have permanent capital. So the investors cannot commit their funds for a permanent period, but the companies require funds. So this stock exchange resolve this dash of interest by offering an opportunity to investor to buy or sell their securities. Industrial growth. The stock exchange is a central market through which resources are transferred to the industrial sectors of the economy. So the existence of such institution encourage people to invest in the productive channel, that is by way of buying the securities in the capital market. Ready and continuous market. The stock exchange provide a central convenient place where buyer and seller can easily purchase and sell securities. So this stock exchange will help the investors. It is one of the central place to deal the securities. So the investor easily they can go through the stock exchange and they can deal the buying and selling of the securities. So easy marketability makes investment in securities more liquid as compared to other assets. Reliable guide to performance. So the capital market service as a reliable guide to the performance and the financial position of corporate and thereby promote efficiency. So all the capital market will help the business people to have permanent performance and also financial position of the business. So the market will guide. Proper channelization of funds. The prevailing market price of the security and the relative yield are the guidance factors for the people to channelize their funds in the particular company. So when the people come forward to invest their money in the securities, they will well known about the company. So that activities about the company will be properly given by the capital market. It will guide the investor in which securities they will wants to invest the money. So this ensure effective utilization of funds in the public interest. So provision of variety of services. The financial institutions functioning in the capital market provide a variety of services such as a grant of loan, whether medium term or long term, to the entrepreneur, provision of underwriting the facilities, assisting in promotion of the company, and also the participation in equity capital and giving expert advice also. These are the various services provided by the capital market to the business people in order to encourage them to get financial assistance. Development of backward areas. Capital market provide funds in project in backward areas. This facilitates economic development of backward areas. So the capital market will help industrial people to provide long-term, medium-term funds in order to start a business in the backward areas. So by way of providing finance to the business people to start the business in the backward areas, the backward areas will be developed, the economic condition will be developed. So long-term funds are also provided for the development of projects in the backward areas. Foreign capital. Capital market makes possible to generate foreign capital. Indian firms are able to generate capital funds from overseas market by way of bond and other securities. So this capital market will provide various foreign capital generations. So Indian firms, they can be able to generate capital funds from overseas market by way of dealings in bonds and other securities. So government has liberalized foreign direct investments in the country. This not only bring in foreign capital but also foreign technology, which is important for economic development in the nation. Easy liquidity. With the help of the secondary market, investors can sell off their holdings and convert them into cash. So whatever the securities held by the investors, if they want to sell the securities, means it is very easy to sell it in the secondary market. They can easily sold the holding securities and convert into cash, and if they want to buy the new securities, means they can easily buy it. So commercial bank will help the investors to take cash from the bank at the time of need whenever they want to buy the securities, or if they want to sold the securities, means they can contact the commercial bank, they can sold the securities and they can deposit the money in the bank. So it is one of the liquidity position. Capital market is one of the liquidity position to convert the securities into cash. Then Indian capital market. The period between 1947 and 1973 marked the development of infrastructure for capital market. So during this period, a network of development finance institutions such as IFCI, ICICI, IDBI and UTI, SFCs and SIDCs were established. So all these are financial institutions which are developed in order to provide funds to the industrial people. So these financial institutions strengthen the capital market by way of providing funds. So during the period between 1980 and 1992, debenture emerged as a powerful instrument of resource mobilization in the primary market. So by way of debenture, the amount will be created for the industrial people. So with that, we conclude this afternoon video. Students, you can watch and learn the concept clearly and write the assignment, write the points in the assignment notebook. Thank you.